Happy Easter. Today is Easter He's tripping over a cat. Happy Easter. Today is Easter Sunday, and we have a bit of a family tradition that we do every year on Easter Sunday, which is our family Easter egg hunt. I was away last year. Unfortunately, I was overseas, so I actually missed out on all the fun. But this year I'm back, baby, and I'm wearing the bunny ears, and we're just gonna lay all the eggs in the garden, let the kids go crazy, and we're gonna celebrate Easter in style this year, 2019. Here we go. What are we about to embark on?
We're doing the Easter egg hunt.
That's right. You could be a bit more excited, but obviously you're not. So should we just cancel it?
No.
What are you hoping to achieve today? What are you hoping to find out there?
Chocolate.
What if there's no chocolate? What if the neighbours' kids have eaten it all?
Grass.
How are you doing today, Emily?
I'm good at eating a lot of chocolate already.
Okay. And what's one of your favourite parts of Easter Sunday?
The Easter egg hunt happens every year and Dad runs it up the backyard, so yeah, I'm excited.
So you said you've already eaten a lot of chocolate already. Do you really need more?
Yes, I do.
So this is the loot that we're going to be putting out around the garden today. I was very excited, as you can see.
Master Eggman, Joey, what are you up to?
Now send eggs flying everywhere.
The washing basket has always become the family tradition because when the kids were young, Tim would always duck outside and put the washing on the line when in actual fact it was egg planting. No eating, Mac, no eating.
Yeah, it's going pretty good,
Yeah?
Got a whole bunch of stuff out the front, so now I'm just working on the backyard and seeing what I can do here, you know, keep the joy of Easter going.
How many samples have you eaten along the way?
Actually, surprisingly none so far, but
okay.
that may change. What I've done is I've sprinkled over 100 chocolate eggs of all sizes, from little ones to big rabbits, all over our backyard and our front yard. And now the fun's going to begin. On the count of 3, I declare the 2019 Easter egg hunt officially open. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Baskets at the ready. Show me your baskets. Hold them high. Fantastic. Okay. Ready, set. Let's find some eggs. Let's go.
There are hop ones. Go.
Here you go. In the backyard.
Go
On
straight.
the hunt. Whoa. Like I said, over 100 eggs. Don't pick up the dog poo, by the way, right? Yeah. Oh, good steal from Kai. Oh. It's getting a little out
The
here.
fight is on.
Haha.
How much is in your basket?
That much?
That much. Whoa.
I want to hear. No. Yes, I knew it. Haha.
Good job. Yes.
Oh damn.
Adam's on the run.
Oh yeah, look.
Yay.
Oh.
Kai's doing some renovations. Oh, and you're just running past the eggs. It's pretty funny. You're going bananas.
All this loot.
All this loot. All right. Now, I've got to say, you've walked past a whole bunch of stuff, Em.
Okay. I've seen this in JJ. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. What'd you get, Kai? Show us. All right, sweet, sweet, sweet.
Baseball bat.
Baseball bat. No, no, no.
Awesome.
Careful, mate. Careful,
Yeah.
careful, careful.
Careful of the
what you
precious
just found.
plants. Ta-da! What have you got here?
Ooh. Felici.
Yeah.
Fluffy.
Happy Easter.
you.
Get the hell out of here. These people are crazy.
Oh, it's a video game.
No, maybe it's not.
Oh, into Spider-Verse.
Wow.
That's cool. That's awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Now this chocolate.
Yeah. Just look at your stuff. Whoa. Oh.
Bucket loads. And look at these. These are like shaky. What's in them?
Wow. What do you think?
Well, you have to go inside and find out.
How was the 2019 Easter egg hunt?
It was really good. We got heaps of chocolate. I found this jumper.
Looks a bit short. Has it shrunk in the wash?
No. Eat, sleep, repeat. That's what I do. I found another red one that's super fluffy. And a big bunny, which was really good.
Okay, Kai, how was the 2019 Easter egg hunt for you today?
Yeah, good. We got a lot of chocolate, which is the main thing. And I got Lego Technic and into Spider-Verse.
So this year, there was a lot of eggs. Was it better having more eggs or would you prefer less eggs?
I prefer a little more eggs. You can never have too much chocolate.
So how was the Easter egg hunt?
Actually, it went really, really well. The kids managed to find all the Easter eggs, although with family tradition, Tim's always hidden one or two in a hard spot, and we'll find it in the next week or two. The kids still had a ball, so they're counting out their loot right now. So you can hear this. One for you, one for me, one for you, one for me.
Well, that's the Easter egg hunt for our family, done for another year. 2019, gone like that. It's one of my favourite parts of Easter, and Tam and the kids love it as well. Really hope you enjoyed being a part of our special day. Easter is like lots of fun for us. If you like this video, and we sure hope that you did, please press on the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen here so you can see more of our videos from our little adventures that we get up to. And once again, thanks for watching and happy Easter.